Matron, take them away.
Okay, just very quickly, a little shout out to Sarah. I was talking to her in the Telegram group. If you don't know what that is, just check the description. It's free for you guys. I set it up just so you can talk in peace. There's no sellers or dickheads allowed in there. So it's worth it. It's free as well. So there you go. She asked, what's the best way to draw a fib? Well, I think the easiest way is just to show you. So let me have a look. Excuse me, I'm still choking like there's no tomorrow. So let's have a quick look, shall we? Just get all of these off. That. And I'll just quickly show you something. Now, this one might actually help Reese as well, because I pulled this one up simply because I was talking to him about it earlier on as well. If you're going to draw a fib and you're unsure where to draw it, there's a couple of elements you need to look at. If you see a move like so, you don't really want to pay attention to this bit. It will be that section there you'd be paying attention to, because that has completed. You can see a definitive high and a definitive low. So in this case, we just sort of make this a bit bigger so you can see it. You would draw the fib from the top of the move, excuse me, to the base of the move. And the rule of thumb is this: the first candle of the move down, in other words, the first red one, will be the first candle you look at, and the last candle is just however far it got to. And then what it gives you is, well, there's your 23, your 30, your 50, so forth, showing you clear stall points. Now, to draw it on this would mean it's still in motion. So you haven't got two fixed points to look at. Now, I saw that it was the DAX that you were looking at. Now, if we just pull this out to the hourly, let me just check, see what chart you were looking at. 15 minutes. Okay, so you had it on a 15-minute chart. Okay. Well, if it's on a 15-minute chart, I'd be very dubious with it. That's about as low as you want to go with a fib. Now, again, on that chart, you can see this move pushing up. I wouldn't draw a fib on this move because it's still in motion. I don't know what the fixed points are. There isn't a fixed point at the top. I only have the one at the bottom. However, you can use a secondary fib to help see where that might go. Well, in this case, it will be an extension. So there's the move from there to there. Just pull this down across. So it'll be the same. So again, just put this into place. So just drop that there. So there's the start of that move, and it got lows here. Where is the extension point? Well, there's the 127, which is there. Just highlight that and purple, just so that we can see it. And sure enough, from that, it's stalled on the 127, just there. You know, stall, which isn't too far away from that level that we drew in. And if it keeps on pushing, the next stall point has a chance to be up here somewhere. Okay, so if it's screaming through, it's going to look to retest this or retest this. Now, stronger fibs from the hour upwards. Okay. So if we're looking at what's going on with this chart, we start seeing it. See, it's had a lovely run up, but it's now coming up onto the tops. And sure enough, there's the stall point. So that could squeeze up. That's still got a good ways to go. But it's not to say it can't be done. You know, that could easily squeeze up into here. You know, when it does, stall, and then maybe come back and revisit the little areas that it's been to. But fibs are an excellent tool. Very easy to recognize. You just want a strong directional move. Pick a top, pick a bottom, but always complete. If it's still in motion, then it becomes very difficult to figure out what's going on. But just because a Fibonacci's been broken doesn't mean to say it's not valid. You just use the extensions, and hopefully it helps. Now, I'll do more on this as we go. Ask me in sort of the Ask Scruff on the next one of them, and we'll explore it a little bit more. So if you want to see another video, there'll be one up here or there somewhere, whatever YouTube pops up. You want to subscribe, the button will be down there with Scruffy Trader on. And do subscribe. Motivates me to do more. And if you're stuck, I'm very easy found. So as always, guys, trade well, keep it risk managed. But above all, do what you love, and the money will follow. See you all in the next one.